Right guys, what's going on? In this video I'm gonna show you how to replace a bicycle chain ring. Now as you can see, the chain ring is totally damaged. As I spin, it's totally damaged, so you need to be replaced. First, need some Allen rings to remove the bolt here. There you go. It's not that hard to replace this chain ring if you do have a new one. Look at that. Next, you need to have this. Sorry for my gloves. Right, just put this one is here in the thread, tighten it. Very tight, just like that. And then here, not that hard to remove this. Wow. Yes, there you go. So finally remove. As you can see, look at the damage. So it's now time to remove this, and need to replace another one. And he returned the bicycle like this. I have nothing to do with that. Shimano chain ring. I'm just gonna put like that. And then put back the bolt, and make sure just to put some grease in that. So gonna put back in. And just to make sure also, if you don't want to cut the chain, so you need to put the chain inside, not outside, because if you're gonna put the chain outside and then you already install the chain ring, you don't have any choice but to cut this ring, and you need to replace the chain pin. Tighten it. Right, so very tight. It is really important to tight. Right, just like that. More. There's more. Right. So there you go. This is temporarily because the tire is not yet installed, but it's like that. So it's time to remove the other one. Just take time to just make sure not to mislead the thread. The thread of this elbow here is a little bit worn, so we should, anyway, I'm not gonna use this anymore. So what I'm trying to do right now is just to try to put this like that. Like that. Now it's getting in. time to remove. By tightening this one, there's a bolt or a small head of the bolt. If you tighten the bolt, it's going in. That's why this part should be removed. It's like that. As you can see inside, when I'm tightening the bolt, the head of the bolt, push this one here, so that this elbow will be removed, just like that. Right, it's time to remove. Tight for you to repair your bicycle easily. The other one, you have to clean it a little bit, push it. So you shouldn't put the elbow like that. Make sure it's straight. Right, tighten that. Needs put some grease. Sorry about the gloves, it's dirty. It's okay. So now it's time to lock. Very tight. You need to tighten it very tight because you're gonna use this and you don't wanna be. Okay, I think that's enough. Yeah. This new, not a new one, never use it. Don't forget to put some grease. It's very careful not to. Where's the Allen wrench? Okay, just like that. Now repeat the process again. Don't forget to put some grease. It's really important to put some grease. So very easy. Put some, use the Allen wrench or the hex what do you call this? We call this Allen wrench. Okay. Next, tighten it. Right, so there you go guys, finally done. So finally I already installed the Shimano chain ring, so that is the sworn or the damaged one. So that is the new Shimano chain ring. Right, so okay, so there you go guys. Thank you so much for watching this video. In next video I'm gonna show you how to install the wheels and the rest of the setup, the brakes and the alignment of the chain ring. Alright, thank you so much. See you in my next video.